fasten your seatbelts, get your bucket of popcorn, because it doesn't get bigger than this. India under 19 versus Pakistan under 19. Coming to you live from the ICC Academy Oval. News from the center, it's Pakistan under 19 who won the toss and they've decided to bowl first.
No surprises there. Looking at the pitch, it was no-brainer that Pakistan has won the toss and they've chose to field first. Let's have a look at the Pakistan lineup. Saad Beg.
To be seen, and he'll be raring to go when he gets the opportunity. You're absolutely right.
There is no better stage than this game to learn and learn how.
He's got a couple of friends alongside him, 2 slips in place. And right on the money, Amir. At this stage. Not the best of his deliveries, very wayward, helped it on its way. Much needed boundary for India, and Arshin will ease the pressure.
Fuller again had to reach out to this, and that's handsomely driven. Arshin is turning it on in the middle, and he is getting boundaries at ease.
Yeah, this time he went around the...
That one came in. Has it taken the edge? Up goes the finger. Amir gets his man. Pakistan are celebrating. Arshin has to depart.
Edged and gone. He comes in and he strikes, and strikes oh so beautifully. The man who's amongst the wickets in the first game has started off with a wicket.
And they are
The availability of a hoik is there, just like this, something like this. Something unorthodox as well. This one's going to go for further.
well, yeah, a poor line.
That initial movement helped, and Adarsh has gone full throttle. I think that's in the backseat of one of the cars.
And he sweeps and sweeps handsomely. The ball will race away towards the fence. 4 runs.
Oh, he thinks he's taken it. Oh, it's given. It's given. There was an underage. Who said footwork's only for the... Oh, well, there's a little bit of helicopter to it, but no distance. That's excellently taken. Was a balancing act for a moment. The flamboyance of Mushir is not to be... Straight when it matters. Avanish has shown the gap.
Banged shot, pulled. The fielder coming underneath. And what a fabulous catch this is. Incredible visuals there. That catch, he had to run a mile. Completed it with a marathon. Beautifully played. Aerial and a maximum. Phenomenal looking shot, Sachin. Out and thrill. And that's what he's doing. Steps down, goes aerial, 1 bounce into the fence for a 4.
Well, that's footwork at its very best. Brilliant. Sachin Das has walked out and
Slower delivery, didn't read it, but only so far. Riaz has pounced the catch. Uday didn't read the slower delivery. And as they...
a slow ball loading or no?
The slower ball indeed, and this should be catching practice. Tayyab hasn't dropped anything that's come towards him. The roar suggests that it was very well planned. Another batter falls prey to the lack of pace. This time it off up in the circle. No, he wants to go leg side, and that's connected cleanly. 1 bounce straight into the fence. Oh, this is just pure class. Pick the length early and post it beyond the fence. Should be taken, and it's Tayyab again. Miscuing the full toss, Raj. He's sitting deep inside the crease, expecting the slower one. Elevation just enough. Oh, it's going to go for 4. It's going to go for 4. Tayyab it is. The ball's been following him.
Back of the hand deliveries.
This is single-handed, but sensational. It's gone the furthest when you compare with all 6s. And it's a one-handed effort from height, but fielder underneath. This time easily pouched. Sachin Das had to go for it for India. Cheekiness, and cheekiness pays off. Fine leg inside the circle.
$62 for others, 60 for Uday, 58 is where he should be looking.
Amir and Ubaid started off well. 2 wickets apiece for them at the end of the day. Ubaid, but the good partnerships is what brought back India on the right track. Adarsh and Arshin were able to add 39, but it's that Adarsh-Uday partnership that brought back India. Can they put up their second win in Men's Under-19 Asia Cup, or will India find a way to restrict 259? We'll find out.
Depends in the first 10 overs where this match goes. Shamil Hussain lost with him. Is Shahzi batters in top 4.
Well, Naman Tiwari. And he'll begin with the loosener as Pakistan get their first runs on the board. Pulls the shot. Has he got the distance on it? Oh, it just about gets it. Kept the fielder interested. Fielder.
Check your length.
Oh, what a catch! Spectacular catch by the Indian fielder Adarsh Singh. That was travelling as well, and the ploy has worked.
But the replay suggested that the angle would have taken it away. That's off the outside edge. And save your legs. That's a boundary.
The change in length. Beautifully played. That'll be 4. Naman decided to offer.
Gives the charge, goes high, and it goes the distance as well. That's a towering hit. It's a home run that will add so much of confidence to this Pakistan batting lineup, and in the process they get to the 100
Measures to get a wicket as well. Short delivery is not going to help. It's going to help the batters score yet another 4. They are just taking this game away from.
This time Shazib gives the charge and goes over high and handsome. Pakistan dictating terms in the middle and getting closer. Gives the charge again. He's not quite middled it. Fielder coming underneath. He'll take it. India strike. This is a big wicket. Mushir with the catch.
Line up, just Abhishek. Oh, beautifully swept. He will get a boundary. He's making it look so easy, Azan. Onto his leg stump, a run out.
In the air, but in total control as he squeezes it past the fielders. Despite the dive, it'll go for 4. Soumya Pandey.
Gets his foot in just the right time. It certainly saved a couple of runs there. Oh no, it still goes past him. That's how firmly it was struck from the bat. Oh, he goes on his toes and plays that over backward of point. That's a spectacular hit from the bat of Azan. What an innings he's playing. And this one's goes aerial, goes inside out. And it looks like he goes the right way as well. One bounce into the ropes. Saad Beg is joining the.
That's it. Wonderful inning. Flawless, fabulous. Azan has got his first century of the tournament. He's made it look very easy. What a time, what a stage to do it. For himself, for the team, for the country.
What a day he's chosen as well. A century of the highest order. And clearly, what we've seen today, it's the first of many more. Oh, got himself into a good position. Fielder in the deep, a mere spectator. 50 comes up that in a region which is not welcome at all. Oh, this would be 4. This is rubbing salt in the wound.
He's just towing, will remain there rather. That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. Beautiful. Through extra cover, Pakistan wins by 8 wickets. They played some brilliant cricket. This man on your screen deserves all the credit. Azan 105 not out. Saad Beg 68 not out. Made sure that he stayed till the end to win the game for the country.
What a win this is, and that too earlier has been one of the side stories of this win. Shamil might have left early, but that gave the opportunity for the other left-handers to put it past India. Oh, they tried everything, including bowling himself for 6 overs.
And as we said, it's all about partnership. 200 runs partnership. First it was Shahzeb and Azan for 110, and then
What a century. Perhaps a tournament tone setting century. 259 for 9. Others. Thank you so much, Mikhail. Oh, what a win this has been for Pakistan. That puts them at the top of the table with 2 wins in 2 games. 4 points amassed with it will spice up. The points table will spice up. And you can expect that in this game too. Sri Lanka taking on UAE. That'll come to you live tomorrow from the ICC Academy Oval. And as always, we promise you 2 games simultaneously. Japan versus Bangladesh. ICC Academy Oval 2. That's going to